In this calculation, we are going to be looking at how we can calculate the relative atomic mass of a substance when we have the relative density, the vapor density, the vapor density of the substance, the relative vapor density of that substance. Now, based on that, the question we have here says that a chloride of an element S has a formula X chloride, S chloride, and a vapor density of 77. Calculate the relative atomic mass of X. That is, we're going to be finding the relative atomic mass of what? This X here. Now, how do we go about this? Now, the first thing we will do is to find the relationship between the vapor density and the relative atomic mass. The vapor density and relative atomic mass, the relationship they have there is that 2 times vapor density will give us what? Relative atomic mass. That means if the vapor density is VD, that means 2 multiply VD is equal to what? Um, relative relative molecular mass, relative molecular mass of the substance. Relative molecular mass. Now, that is what it means. If our D vapor density is VD, that means 2 times vapor density will give us relative molecular mass of that substance. Now, we have the vapor density now, and we don't have the relative molecular mass, but we need to find the atomic relative atomic mass of this X, relative atomic mass of that. So, for us to do this, and we also know that X and chloride, S chloride will give us is equal to X plus, that is the relative molecular mass. Same relative molecular mass in question here. We can get it by multiplying 4 multiply chloride which chlorine, which is hope we are following. So when we multiply through that, what we have will be when we multiply through, we will have this will give us 142 plus X equal to what? This. That is equal to what? Relative molecular mass. Now, and we know that based on what we have already stated here, based on what we have stated here, it means that 2 times this, and we have the vapor density. Vapor density is equal to 77 from our question here. That means if we multiply 2 times 77 will give us equal to S plus. That is what it means. We want to balance the equation here. This is that. This is relative density is that. Relative molecular mass is equal to this now, and vapor density is this. So what we do here, 2 times 2 times 2 times 77, we will have 154 equal to X plus 142. So what I'm going to do here is we collect like terms. We collect like terms, we have X equal to 154 minus 142. That will give us what? And then we have 1. That means the relative atomic mass of X is what? 12. S is equal to 12. Thank you so much for being part of the class. I want to encourage you to subscribe if you have not subscribed, and if you're coming here for the first time, joining us for the first time, and if you have any question, you can leave it at the comment in the comment section there. We can always attend to you, and this very question will also appear in the description of this very video, so that you can also look at it very well, because I believe that some of you might not be able to see the question very well here. If you are not the type, if you can see very well, you will also access it in the description section of the this video. Thank you so much. Thank you.